Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can connect your Webflow account with WhatsApp. So follow me step by step as I'm going to show you how exactly to do it. Unfortunately, when you go to the marketplace, as you will be seeing here, and go to app, you will not be finding WhatsApp application. So this is not WhatsApp. So this allows customers to contact you using WhatsApp, but not really integrating WhatsApp entirely, because this will only make it that customer can basically talk to you and send you messages. But how can we make it that it does more than that and make more integration using our WhatsApp? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna download Zapier instead. It is a third-party application, very good, and it's gonna show us that it is very amazing. Go to install application and then make sure that you have an account within Zapier. Connect Webflow to 8,000 plus application. Click on it. And once you are here, basically just go ahead and click on this plus button and here choose WhatsApp, as you will be seeing. So I'm gonna choose WhatsApp Business, as you can see here. And now let's do the integration. So you can do literally anything here. For example, the trigger events. Whenever there is a new comment or new order. So again, I'm gonna choose our order. It's more preferable to choose order in this kind of situations. So I'm gonna choose order, and here I'm going to select the events. For example, whenever there is a new order, send like a template message to the clients. So I'm gonna choose it like this. Here, make sure to put your account. So go here and choose your accounts for here. Here, choose your accounts in WhatsApp, and then make sure to configure them. You'll receive like confirmation code, etc. And once you're done, simply click here and publish, and there you go. You have integrated them correctly. And of course, you can do more than that with creating multiple zaps. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.